We are going to start our online dictation batch on April 22. If you want to join, then you can direct message me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Get ready for the dictation of NCRT story on the topic of summer vacation. 3, 2, 1, start. Each summer is lovely for me due to the fact I spend it with my family. I am properly aware that people my age spend their summer holidays with friends partying all the time. However, after a whole year far from my family, I ought to admit I had always selected to spend a summer vacation with my family instead of friends. I will meet them again when the vacation ends. If a person asks me to select one best vacation that is better than all the rest, I had to pick my trip to the resort at Three Lakes, Washington. The location turns into the best because it is surrounded by three amazing lakes. However, this is not my favorite summer holiday simply due to the location. We have visited so many great locations during the summers. I am quite sure some even looked better. What I remember is the fun we had there. This is probably due to the three lakes, but the choices we had for activities were so many we could not probably do the whole thing before we went back house. I do not forget how much we fought over what we were going to do. My father wants us to do group activities while we go on summer vacation because it would not be a family vacation if we do not stick together. So, if you came and watched us on our family vacations in the summer, you will see very bored parents just sitting after their kids when they are performing some kid activities. We wanted to go canoeing, so we agreed that they will come with us on his and we might go fishing with them. As it turned out, we had more fun at the fishing expedition than we had canoeing. For our dad, it turned into the opposite. We fell in the water because this was our first time canoeing and we had no idea what we have been doing. Both my sister and I have been soaking wet because we fell exactly 10 times. Due to the fact my dad has done this in the past, they had a blast. When the time came to go fishing, we were devastated by the idea that we had have to spend a whole day searching for trout when there were so many things we want to do. I desired simply sitting close to the fire pit on a picnic desk all day instead of looking ahead to a trout to trap my father's bait. But luck was on my side that day. Fishing turned out to be such a funny activity. I am now convincing my dad to do it every summer. My dad was not so fortunate. He spent over 5 hours just waiting and waiting, got sunburned, and consequently had a fever all night. After an hour of no fish caught whatsoever, he kept shifting towards me in the hope that he is going to get fortunate too. But the fish simply appeared to run far from him and trap on my fishing rod instead. The next day, we decided to be a bit less active, considering that my father already had a difficult night with the fever and the stress. We always stay close to the hotel, so we joined some organized activities like cooking on a campfire. We were all together and did not separate from each other for an hour. This was way before I left the house to go study in some other city. For a family who cannot stand each other and fights all the time at the house, it was a miracle how nicely we agreed and how fun our summer vacation was. Every summer we spend together is like this now, but now it is not always such an unusual thing. After over half a year of being separated and not living together, we had be glad if someone put us in a single room for a whole month. That year, this was the strangest and most surprising twist. It will always be remembered that summer with my own family. I will never be forget about the other locations and holidays too, but this is the summer when I understand that there is nothing more crucial than family. I do not think I will ever envy my buddies for spending their vacation partying. I will pity them for being far from their family yet again, because vacations and holidays are great to spend with the people you love most. What I do know at this point is that when I have my family, I will take them to that same spot and set the same policies as my father. I hope that I will get more fishing sessions with my family. Stop. Thank you.